Papa Kouda, moi vinn joindre nous parce que tu tiré sur moi dans restaurant. Besoin qu'on qui laisse qui responsable.
Ça c'est un gros route ou à prendre petite. Business ça.
Knzy, my brother, you need to be very careful. Things are about to get crazy. You're gonna need my protection.
Brother, is that you?
Yes, it's me. Watch your back, Knzy. I'll always be watching over you.
I miss you so much, brother.
Petite film, bagay yo rouge, gon mauvais l'esprit qui engagé avec vous.
Papa, qui l'esprit ça? C'est moi qui va le commander dans Miami. Protection sous contour.
OK, petite moi.
Brother, your death doesn't feel right. Something's wrong. Don't worry, brother. I will find the truth behind your death.
Mais bagay ça petite moi.
Hey, Maggy, I'm here in the lobby waiting for you, baby. Where you at?
Hey, Maggie. I'm right here on the beach. Give me like 3 minutes. I'm coming right now.
All right, I'll go up to the room, but don't take too long, beautiful. I've been thinking about you all day.
Oh, really? Well, I'm on my way. Behave yourself.
Oh, damn, Scooby. Slow down, baby. You trying to devour me already? Behave yourself, Gooby. Now it's my turn to take control and show you how it's done.
Miami is mine now. I own this fucking city. Whoever was behind my brother's death, you just signed your own death warrant. I'm coming for you, and I will erase your entire bloodline.
My friend, thank you for your support. Please share, subscribe, follow, like, and comment to help our voice be heard.